Hello and welcome to Solaris University. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a custom badge design. Now, we assume in this video that you have XPressBadge installed and licensed. Please reach out to the sales team at sales@solaris.com if you require a license for XPressBadge. The very first thing you want to do is to create the template for your badge. And in this case, I'm using a standard template for my badge. I'll just expand the screen here. And you can select any template you want. If you go into new here, you see the different sizes of templates. You can pick whatever you want in whatever orientation. In my case, I'm using a standard template in a portrait orientation. Now, we have many tools in our XPressBadge application. You can create pictures, images, and you can tie this to variables within XPressEntry. Let's get right into it. So I'm just going to create a background here. Just take a box. I want to create a background for my logo. And I want to call this, I want this to be a light blue background. And I want to put a picture right on top. So let's just create a picture and pick out my logo. I want to put that logo right on top. I want to take out the outline for this background, just make it transparent. And it's really as simple as this. You can make very complex badge layouts, or you can make it very simple. The next thing I want to do is to create a placeholder for pictures. So I'm just going to put one there. And usually you want to select a picture so you can see what it's like. And I'll just put that there. So I want to make this a variable so that this frame pulls in the picture from XPressEntry. So to do that, let us configure the source and add the variable. In this case, is picture. Just add a name for this employee. That will be a variable text as well. So on the designer, you just want to put a designer text so that you can see what it looks like. And on the print text, I want this to be first name, middle initial, and last name. Now we can also put a fixed picture. So let's put in a fixed picture. I'll just put in the US flag. Let's pull that in. You can adjust to fit what you want. And lastly, I want to put in a barcode. So this barcode can either be fixed or it can be populated by the data within XPressEntry. So in this case, I want to populate this barcode data with what I have from XPressEntry. Let's put that there. Okay. So the data would be the badge number. Finally, I want to print the employee number right under this text. So let's put a text under here, the employee number. And then the actual text itself, I just want to put it right beside it. So for the designer here, I'll call this employee ID. And then under the print here, just call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the print would be the employee number. Okay. And it's really as simple as this. Once you're done, all you need to do is to hit save and store this as a badge template. In case I'll just put this as employee and hit save. And once you've hit save and save this template, you can pull in the template into any role on the XPressEntry and use this to print out the badge. XPressEntry will replace the content of the badge, the variables, with the actual names and data from the employee database. Now I've created this template in a portrait layout, so it can also be used on the XPressEntry handheld for a custom badge display. So you can use it for the entry display or exit display, and you can actually modify this to suit your need in any way that you like. This will be demonstrated properly in a different video, but this brings an end to the demonstration of this particular feature. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@Telaris.com for any technical queries, or sales at Telaris.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.